Come on, come on.
Turn all the way over there that way. Come this
You got
way
it?
towards me. You want Mom to hold your hand?
Jada, go and hold this other hand.
No. Okay.
Give him up. Okay, baby, you can't move, okay? You want to hold him up.
All right.
Just to be sure. It's going to feel a little cold.
Hi.
Baby, it's not going to hurt.
Look at
I
Mommy.
just need to do
Look at
it
Mommy.
real quick.
Look at Mommy. Look, it's going to be
Baby.
so easy. You understand what I'm saying?
But
Yes.
you can't move.
Stay real quiet.
Baby.
Stay real quiet. Look at Mommy. Whoopsie. See?
Baby.
Like Disney World. Come on.
No, no.
All right, come.
How are we going to do this? You're going to have
Yeah.
him face down and lean over him. Try to hold his hand.
Come on.
Baby, it's 2 seconds. How do you want to...
Mama. No. No.
I was saying lean him face down and put your weight over his body.
Come on, Chummy. Get up there. Get up. Get up.
No, after his friend.
Chum. Chum. No, you don't have to be scared. Come on. Stand up.
Baby, it's 2 seconds. It's just...
All right, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You have to get up there and lay down so that you can do this fast, okay?
Baby, come on.
Come on, Chum. Come on. Put your arms
Come on,
up.
baby. You're okay. It's 2 seconds, baby.
Come on. Where my big strong boy at? Let's see. What did you sit him down between your legs? All right, come.
Try that. That way you can wrap yourself around him.
All right, come on, Chum.
Baby, it's not gonna hurt.
Put your shoe on.
Real quick. I'm just gonna take it out, okay?
No.
No, she has to take it out. Or it's going to become part of you. Remember, Optimus Prime says you can't let it be part, okay? You got to take the metal out. You got to be brave, okay?
Baby.
You see how fast? Come on.
Baby.
Come on, Chummy. Come on. All right.
Baby.
All right. Stop, Chummy.
Baby, you're gonna make it worse. Hold on. Baby, hold on. We're almost done.
All right, Mama right here.
Hold on, baby.
Look, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay? This is not that